Oats, the breakfast of champions, or just another health fad? You've heard they're great, but how great are we talking? What if I told you this humble grain could lower cholesterol, improve digestion, and boost brain power? Here's the kicker. How you prepare oats can make the difference between bland and a nutritional powerhouse. Stick around as we uncover the secrets to making oats your ultimate breakfast ally. You'll never look at oatmeal the same way again. Oats are often hailed as one of the healthiest breakfast options. And for good reason. But are they really as incredible as they seem? Let's dive in. Packed with fiber, protein, and essential vitamins, oats aren't just a meal. They're a superfood. Today we'll explore why oats are amazing and how to transform them into a breakfast you'll actually crave. Why oats deserve the hype. Oats are loaded with beta-glucan, a soluble fiber that lowers cholesterol, stabilizes blood sugar, and promotes gut health. Eating them regularly reduces the risk of heart disease and helps manage weight by keeping you fuller longer. Plus, oats are a plant-based protein source perfect for muscle repair and maintenance. Add in vitamins like manganese, magnesium, and B vitamins, and oats become a powerhouse for energy, bone health, and metabolism. For those with gluten sensitivities, certified gluten-free oats are a safe and nutritious option. Elevate your oats. Simple upgrades 1. Add healthy fats. Boost your oatmeal with chia seeds or ground flax seeds for extra fiber and omega-3s. Stir in almond or peanut butter for a creamy, nutrient-packed treat. 2. Sweeten naturally. Skip refined sugar and opt for fresh fruits like blueberries, bananas, or strawberries. These add antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber. Bananas also bring potassium for healthy blood pressure and muscle function. 3. Spice things up. Add a dash of cinnamon to regulate blood sugar or turmeric for anti-inflammatory benefits. A small sprinkle adds flavor and extra health perks. Creative oatmeal ideas. Avocado oats. Add avocado for a creamy texture and a boost of healthy fats and fiber. Nutty crunch. Toss in walnuts or almonds for omega-3s and a satisfying crunch. Overnight oats for busy mornings. For a quick, ready-to-eat breakfast, try overnight oats. Combine rolled oats with almond milk or yogurt, let it soak overnight, and top with berries or nuts in the morning. A healthy, hassle-free start to your day. Avoid the sugar trap. Swap refined sugar for natural sweeteners like honey, maple syrup, or mashed dates. These add flavor and nutrients without turning your healthy oats into a sugar bomb. A few final tips. Stick to portion control. A serving of half a cup of dry oats expands to a full cup when cooked. Add toppings mindfully to keep your meal balanced. Why oats are the ultimate breakfast. Oats can lower cholesterol, support digestion, and provide long-lasting energy. Combined with fruits, nuts, and spices, they become not just nutritious, but also delicious. What's your favorite way to prepare oats? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more creative and healthy breakfast ideas. See you in the next video.